Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve quadratic word problems. Here, quadratic word problems related to teamwork. So, here we will solve teamwork problems by creating a rational equation to model the problem. Here is the teamwork equation 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon T. So this pattern is used to solve teamwork problems. If the first person does a job in A, this, okay, maybe in hours or any time unit, a second person does a job in B, and together they can do a job in T, total T. Okay, so we can use the teamwork equation, this one 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon T. Here is today's question. Adam can clean a room in 3 hours. If his sister Maria helps, they can clean it in 2 upon 5 hours. How long will it take Maria to do the job alone? So according to this equation, here two-person, one is Adam and second one is his sister Maria. Okay, Adam takes 3 hours to do alone this work, and Maria we don't know, so we will let X, and total is 2 upon 5. So 1 upon first person A, Adam, can take 3 hours. A value 3. B, his sister Maria, we don't know. We have to find out how long will it take Maria to do the job alone. We don't know, so we can write any variable X. Okay, and 1 upon T. Total here, so they can clean it in 2 upon 5 hours. So 2 upon 5 first we have to write in this is actually mixed fraction, so we have to convert into improper fraction. 5 times 2 10, and this 2 we add 10 plus 2 12 upon 5. So here we write 12 upon 5. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon x is equal to, here we can write reciprocal, so this will be 5 upon 12. Now here in the denominator 3x and 12. So least common multiple of 3x and 12 is 12x. So whole equation multiply by 12x. This 12x multiply here 1 upon 3, we get 4x. This 12x multiply 1 upon x cancel, just 12. 12x multiply 5 upon 12, so here 12 cancel, 5 times x 5x. Both sides subtract 4x, so this is cancel, this is 12 is equal to 5x minus 4x x, or we can write x is equal to 12. So here 12 hours x was for this one Maria's. So how long will it take Maria to do the job alone? Maria takes 12 hours. This is answer. When Maria to do the job alone, okay, it takes Maria 12 hours. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.